Hello everyone, this is Paritosh and I have created this project for a hackathon and it is called ReShape City AI. It takes your a street view of the street you want to see transformed and a satellite view of that street. It takes it and it generates a better plan or a better design on how it can handle traffic in a much clearer way or in a better way. So you have three filters here you can choose from. So first you can make it useful for a particular user, like a wheelchair user, like a cyclist or a parent. Then you also have a style in which the image will be generated. So there are four styles, and you can make it focus on a particular use case, like it should be pedestrian friendly, or it should be in touch with the nature, or it should cater public transport. So I have two use cases running right now because it takes a while to process the images and generate the results. So first one is this one. It is a Bangalore. It is from Bangalore and it is usually consistent, although the picture doesn't portray that. But here is the page. You can always tweak around the filters and regenerate the design as per your like. And the baseline analysis tells you what causes the congestion in the first place. It also calculates the width, the number of lanes it can handle, and the sidewalk length, which is responsible for the pedestrians. And then it also has some performance metrics like walkability, green cover, and traffic stress. It also does the climate stress analysis on the existing and also on the proposed model. So this is move on to propose. This is the proposed model. Um, you can see how it has redesigned the width and the overall structure and made it more in touch with nature, so it can handle or it can be a much more cooler area. And again, it also estimates the cost and it touches upon the points which can be achieved or which are harder to achieve. It also stress test on the proposed design. We also have the voice capability.
Welcome to Varthur Main Road, a vital artery in Bangalore. Currently, this stretch is characterized by its wide, multi
And then we also have a chat feature where you can chat with it. I have already asked it a question. It will use the information from the screen and it will answer as accurate as possible. And then we have the other another use case. This is from my hometown, and it is pretty usually like very much congested. Like you can see the sidewalk is less than a meter, and you can barely see it right here. But I have tuned it for public transport and for elderly people. It has the same features. So if you take a look at the design, um, according to the model, it should be public transport till here and a lane for the public transport from there and pedestrian for the elderly people to sit here around all the places. So um, that was my project till now. So thank you for watching.